1, 2, with out of foot. 3. Vihan, balance the ball. 1, dribble. I said with inner foot. Janves, dribble, inner foot. Inner foot, man. Inner foot. Inner foot like this. Okay? Dribble. 2. Count 2 with out foot. Out foot. Not outside. Like this. Out foot. Out foot. 3. I said 3. Balance the ball. Hey, Jitan. Who is Jitan? Do properly. Count 3. Balance the ball. I said balance the ball. 3. Start. Do properly, man. Control the ball. On count 3, you have to control the ball. Count 1. Dribble. Dribble. Okay. Good. Oh, Janves. Son, play. Dribble the ball. Go until that wall. Hey, don't kick. I said dribble.
Okay, sir.
Dribble. Nice. 3. Balance the ball. Okay, everybody stop the ball. Go to your places.
Sir, with the ball. Sir,
With the ball. Go. Kick.
go to your places.
Go to your places. Keep the ball on the cone. Hey, you guys, stand up. Quick. Make it fast. No. Quick, man. Janves. Don't play. Hey, you stand. Wait, man. I will explain. Class. Attention. Standard test. Attention. Standard test. Attention.